I'm going to be taking you through another application of trigonometry here, right triangle trig. The problem reads two fire towers are 30 kilometers apart where Tower A is due west of Tower B. A fire is spotted from the two towers, and the bearings from A are 14 degrees north of east and 34 degrees north of west, respectively. See the figure below. Find the distance D of the fire from line segment AB. When setting up this problem, it looks a little bit different than the applications that we've been working on in class. We're trying to find the distance D here, and you'll notice that we have two right triangles still. One right triangle in reference to the 14 degrees here, and then another right triangle in reference to this 34 degree angle. We're given that the entire bottom leg is equal to 30 kilometers, but other than that, we don't have any more information that's given to us in the problem. We're going to set this up using two equations, and we're going to solve one of the equations for a variable and plug it in using substitution. So if you take a look at the two triangles, kind of separating them out, this left triangle here with the 14 degree angle has an opposite side of D, and it would be helpful if we knew the adjacent side. We know the entire length is equal to 30, but what is this distance here? If we called the distance from here x, that would give us a distance in this zone of 30 minus x. So the distance from the D here to B is x. The distance from A to this perpendicular line is 30 minus x. From these two triangles here, we're able to write our two trig functions. You'll note that the tangent of 34 degrees equals D divided by x. And you'll also note that the tangent of 14 degrees equals D divided by 30 minus x. These two equations here represent your system that you're going to solve to find D. My advice would be to solve this equation 1 here for x, and then replace the variable x in the second equation with this expression here, D divided by the tangent of 34. From there, it works out like a standard algebra question worked in the previous video and in notes that we took in class. So, best of luck solving for D when you plug it in.